Hello friends, welcome to our channel MB Logic. Today we are learn about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. It is also called Rakhi festival. It is usually falls in August. Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. We wear new clothes on this day. Sister ties Rakhi on brother wrist. Brother gives sister to gift. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival. It is the festival of love and care. I love this festival very much. Thank you for watching. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe.